I mean, it's, you know, it's an extraordinary opportunity to play a character. We both played these characters in Black Widow, and we developed this relationship, and we planted these seeds, and then you never know like what's going to happen in the future, what Kevin Feige and Lou Esposito have in mind for the future of whatever. So it's just an incredible privilege and opportunity to be asked back and to do this again. And I think we went in, both of us, kind of guns a blazing, trying to mine this relationship as deeply as we possibly could and to pay off all of the things we set up and to plant seeds for the future of who these people are and how they can affect each other going forward and how they can need each other going forward.